Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial where I'm going to show you how to block someone on Discord using the mobile app. If you've ever needed to stop unwanted messages or simply want to take control of who can contact you, blocking is a simple and effective solution. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open up the Discord app on your mobile device and head straight to the chat with the person you want to block. You need to already be in a conversation with them, or find their name in your friend list or a server to get started. Once you're inside the conversation, the next step is to tap on their profile picture or their name at the top of the screen. This will bring up their profile page where you can see more details about them. It's also where you'll find the option you're looking for. Now look closely at the top right corner of their profile screen. You'll see 3 small dots, also known as the More Options menu. Tap on those dots and a set of actions will appear. Among those options, you'll see Block. Go ahead and tap it. The moment you select Block, Discord will instantly prevent that person from being able to message you or call you directly. Their messages in any shared servers will also appear hidden, though you can tap to reveal them if you ever choose. This is a great way to keep your space peaceful without removing yourself from groups where both of you might still be members. Blocking is completely private, meaning the other person won't be notified that you've blocked them. They might notice if they try to message you and can't, but there's no built-in alert or announcement. And that's it. You've just learned how to block someone on Discord using the mobile app with just a few simple taps. Remember, you can always unblock them later by checking their profile again and choosing Unblock. Taking charge of your online experience is important, and learning how to use these features helps you keep your Discord safe, comfortable, and enjoyable.